Good morning, North Junior High. I'm Mandela.
And I'm Grant. Welcome to this week's Rural Roundup.
Here's a sampling of all the cool stuff that's been going on this week at North.
Our 7th graders dissected frogs in science class.
I love these goggles. They're so snazzy.
Well, it was pretty fun to dissect the frogs, and I learned that frogs, their body parts are kind of similar to ours. Fun fact about them is their tongue is attached in the front of their mouth instead of the back, so they can reach it out to collect food.
We are officially cleaning up. We're done now. Bye.
In our 9th grade acting and improv class, students put on their final showcase.
It was really fun. We've been working on it for, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now. Our skit was it was like a parody of the Real Housewives of whatever city, but we did the Real Housewives of Edina.
This is the biggest bake sale of the entire year. What she said.
It was a blast to put together. There were actually a lot of people that showed up. Like, performing in front of them, it was more exciting than when we rehearsed because it was like, whoa, it's actually like real people that we're talking to. So it was really, really fun.
After everybody did their skits, we did a bunch of improv games and like everybody had fun with it. Have you ever drove a car? Well, you're on the show to win that ride. Get it on, man. You know, you could bring your personality out. It was nice. Win that ride.
And during lunch, we continued to mix it up with the Cupid Shuffle dance-off.
I want to recommend My Sister's Keeper by Jodi Picoult. My Sister's Keeper is a fiction novel about a girl named Anna whose sister Kate has cancer. She was born only to keep her sister alive. Her parents genetically engineered her to make sure that her bone marrow would match her sister's so that she could donate her bone marrow. Then her parents want her to donate her kidney. But Anna is sick of donating things to her sister. She doesn't like all the surgeries, and she doesn't like that she was only born to keep her sister alive. She tries to sue her parents to the rights to her own body, even though she knows that her sister might die without her kidney. I would recommend this to any readers who like coming-of-age novels or just fiction books in general. This is a really good book. Woo!
Hey, Hopkins North Junior High, this is Mr. Wolf. I'm going to be doing your weekly Pride drawing, and I am lucky enough to be joined this week by my twin brother, Rob Wolf. He's also a great musician and will be providing a drum roll in between each name. So, let's get started here. First winner is Warland Dualu from 9th grade from Mr. Shearhart for being everything. All right, next winner, hit it, Rob. Natalie Martin in 7th grade from Mr. Leaf for being respectful and excellent. Next winner is Marin Murphy in 7th grade from Miss Han for being determined and excellent. And the next winner is Americo Espinosa in 9th grade from Dale for being respectful. All right, let's see who else we got. Hit it, Rob. Salahuddin Mira in 8th grade from Miss Keogh for being inclusive and determined. And our final winner, Rob. Joey Lepley in 8th grade from Miss Tyree for being everything. Good job, everybody, this week. If you see Rob in the hallways, be sure to give him a big North welcome. His album will be dropping next week on iTunes, so you should check that out. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Chances are you've noticed the 3D printer in the media center at some point. But did you know that it's available to any student at North to print their own design?
So earlier this year, I thought it would be a cool idea to use a 3D printer. I could use a new pick, so why don't I make a custom-made pick? You can choose a color, you can choose the shapes, the different shapes, you can connect the shapes, and it has my initials, MRH, on it. Then you email Miss Leggett the design. She gives you feedback on if it'll be able to print. And if she approves the design, then she'll print it, and then you can come to the media center when it's done, and then you have your finished product. The first time I designed it, I did it wrong. Apparently, I didn't put the box in. I don't know. It's complicated. But then she gave me feedback on what to do. So then I just redid it, and then yeah, I printed it. It was good. I still have it. It's in my room. If you're interested in using North's 3D printer for your own custom design, there are information sheets with specific instructions right below the printer.
And finally, remember that auditions for this year's variety show start next Tuesday. If you're interested in showcasing your talent, or if you'd like to be one of the MCs, make sure to sign up for an audition time in the SSC.
That's our show for this week.
Have a great weekend, everyone.